Hey, good morning. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Bennington 25Q Fastback. This one does have the cladded arch option with the Rockford Fosgate sound upgrade in it. So you've got 8 Rockford speakers inside the boat, sub, amp, PMX2 upgrade. It's an absolute incredible boat. But one of the biggest I guess you'd say attributes to this boat here is this motor. This is the all-new Mercury 350 V10. This is the second one we've gotten in, and I actually delivered this, well, it was a 25Q with this exact motor on it a few weeks ago, and performance is just unreal. It's completely unmatched to the old 350 and 400s. It's very quiet, but the amount of torque and speed you get out of this motor is just absolutely phenomenal. It's got a 20-pitch stainless steel 4-blade prop on it, so it's a if you want something that performs phenomenal, this is absolutely the boat for it. This one's 25 foot in length. It's got the ESP package on it, so you've got the center 32-inch diameter tune. This one is in the, of course, as you see, black exterior smooth panel with the blackout package, stainless steel rub rail. It's got the new lily pad ladder from Bennington on it, which is really nice. Makes it very easy getting in and out of the water. You can see how it's sloped, and it goes deep down into the water, so you don't have to bring your knees to your chin to try to get in. This one does have, of course, the American flag on the back, 52-inch removable ski pylon. Let's walk around. I'll take you a look on the inside to see the boat here. Beautiful boat. Got the docking lights that are inset into the front bow, which are real nice. And of course the Bennington Q series and Sigma right there. Take a look inside. Starboard lounge here, Rockford Fosgate, 20% cutout. Port lounge again, Rockford Fosgate in the 20% cutout. This is the Q Series Sport diamond stitched pillow top upholstery. We got a removable table right here. You can stow it away. Fold down armrest on both forward lounges. You got a wireless phone charger behind that one there. Co-captain's chair. 2 cup holders, another Rockford Fosgate speaker. Side entry gate there. Come on to the back. Starboard lounge and port lounge here, both the same size, both fold down armrests, both have storage up under the seats and seat backs. Access to your fuel tanks here. Again, you got a stainless steel gate in the back, removable ski pylon. There's another look at that new 350 Verado V10. Tons of back deck space here. And of course, this is a power tower. Hit the button, tower folds completely in less than 8 seconds. 9-foot bimini top. Rockford speakers on top of the grill, or top of the tower, excuse me. Rockford PMX2 upgrade. We've got the 12-inch Simrad upgrade. Of course, Mercury DTS with active trim. Another portable phone charger down there. Rockford speaker. Nice sea deck on the elevated helm. Absolute beautiful boat. Available here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. This boat, like I said, is ready to go. Just needs a little bit of fuel in it, and she's ready. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.